Good morning, students. I hope you must have done exercise 4.3, question number 3 in your copy. Now today we'll do multiplication with 0 in the multiplier. For example, multiplication by 0 in the multiplier. First example, three thousand 3248 multiply by 470. We will multiply the 4-digit number by 3-digit and with the 0 in the multiplier. First we will arrange vertically according to the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now write this number 3248. This is the multiplicand. Multiplier is 470. Put multiplication sign. Now we will multiply first from the ones place. What is the ones place? Ones place is 0. All of you know that when we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0 only. So 0 8s are 0, 0 4s are 0 only, 0 2s are 0, 0 3s are 0. Now we have to multiply by the tens place, so we'll put cross on the ones place. 7 8s are 56. 6 will be written down and 5 will be carried on the tens place. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5, 33. 3 will be written down and 3 will be carried on the 100 place. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 7 will be written down, 1 will be carried on the 1000 place. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. So 22 will be written on 10,000 and lakh place. Now we have to multiply by the 100 place. So the ones and the tens place will be replaced by cross or 0. Now 4 8s are 32. 2 will be written down and 3 will be carried on the tens place. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 9 downside and 1 will be carried on the 100 place. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 4 3s are 12. 12 will be written downside. So this will come on 10 lakh place. Now we add them. 0 plus cross is 0 only. 0 plus 6, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 9 and 7, 16. 6, 1 will be carried on the 10,000 place. 9, 2 and 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 2 will be written down, 1 will be carried on the lakh place. 2 and 1, 3. 3 and 2, 5. And 1 will be on the lakh place. Now put commas according to the places: ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh and 10 lakh. So the product is 15,26,560. What is the product? 15,26,560. This is the product. Clear, students? Another question. Suppose the number is, second example I am giving. Question is 583 multiply by 307. 307. We have to multiply 583 by 307. These are 3 digit number and this multiplier is also in 3 digits, but we have 0 in the multiplier. So first we'll arrange vertically according to the places. Ones, tens, 100. Multiplicand is 583 and multiplier is 307. Multiply them. Always start from the ones place. 7 threes are 21. 1 will be written down, 2 will be carried on the tens place. 7 eights are 56. 56 plus 2, 58. 8 will be written down, 5 will be carried on the 100 place. 7 fives are 35. 35 plus 5, 40. 4 will be written on 1000 place. Now we have to multiply by the tens place. Tens place is 0. So we'll put cross or 0 on the ones place. All of you know that when we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0 only. 0 threes are 0. 0 eights are 0. 0 fives are 0 only. Now we have to multiply by the 100 place. 100. So the ones and the tens place will be replaced by cross. 3 threes are 9. 3 eights are 24. 4 will be written down and 2 will be carried on the 100 place. 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So 7 will be written on 10,000 place and 1 will be written on lakh place. Add them. 1 plus cross or 0 is 1 only. 8 plus 0, 8 only. 0 plus 9, 9 only. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 7 and here will come. Always remember, when we multiply any number by 0, when we multiply 7 by 0, the product will be 0. But if we add 7 plus 0, the answer will be 7. So when we multiply any number by 0, the product is 0. But when we add 0 to any number, the number will be itself, means 7 only. Clear? So put the commas according to the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So the product is 1,78,981. 1,78,981 is the product when we multiply 583 by 307. Clear? Now we'll do exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4. Question number 1, multiply in columns. Question 1 will do, we have to multiply. And in the multiplier, there is 0. First question is 4,632 multiplied by 409. We have to multiply 4,632 by 409. First we will arrange them vertically according to the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Because there are 1000 number. 4,632 multiplied by 409. Put multiplication sign. Always start with which place? Yes, ones place. Ones place is 9. Multiply by 9. 9 twos are 18. 8 will be written down and 1 will be carried on the tens place. 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 1, 28. 8 will be written down. 2 will be carried on the 100 place. 9 six are 54. 54 plus 2, 56. 6 will be written down, 5 will be carried on the thousand place. 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 5, 41. 1 will be written on thousand place and 4 will be written on 10,000 place. Now we have to multiply by the tens place. Tens place is 0. So we'll replace ones place by cross or 0. 0 2s are 0 only. 0 3s are 0. 0 6s are 0 only. 0 4s are 0. Now we have to multiply by 4, which is on the hundred place. So we have to replace ones in the tens place by cross or 0. 4 2s are 8. 8 will be written down. 4 3s are 12. 2 and 1 will be carried on the hundred place. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 2 will be carried on the thousand place. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So 8 will be written on lakh and 1 will be written on 10 lakh. Now add them. 8 plus cross or 0 is 8 only. 8 plus 0, 8 only. 6 plus 8, 14. 4. 1 will be carried on the thousand place. 1 and 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Now 4 and 5, because 4 plus 0 is 4 only. 4 plus 5, 9. On the lakh place 8 and on the 10 lakh place 1. Now put the commas. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So 18,94,488 is the product when we multiply 4,632 by 409. This is the product. Because answer of multiplication is known as product only. Another question, B question. Question number 1, C part. $369 multiplied by 607. The multiplicand is in 3 digits and the multiplier is also on 3 digits, but the multiplier have 0 in it. Arrange according to the places: ones, tens, 100. 369 multiply by 607. Start from the ones place, multiply. 7 nines are 63. 3 6 will be carried on the tens place. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 6, 48. 8 will be written down. 4 will be carried on the 100 place. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25. So 2 will be written on 1000 place. Now we have to multiply by the tens place. Tens place is 0. So ones place will be replaced by cross or 0. 0 9s are, yes, 0 only. 0 6 are 0. 0 3s are 0 only. Now we have to multiply by the 100 place. What is the 100 place? 6. So ones and the tens place will be replaced by cross or 0. 6 9s are 54. 4 will be written down and 5 will be carried on the tens place. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 5, 41. 1 will be written on 1000 place and 4 will be carried on the 100 place. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So 2 will be written on 10,000 place and 2 will be written on lakh place. Now we'll add them. 3 plus cross is 3 only. 8 plus 0, 8 only. 5 plus 0 is 5 only. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 2, here will be 2 only. Put commas according to the places, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Always remember that we have to start from the and go to the left side. 2,23,983. 2,23,983 is the product. When we multiply 369 by 607. I hope multiplication by 0 you must have understood. Now, thank you and have a nice day.